Okay, back to the Gabriels. They're this line is really tiny, but at any rate, I have adapters. I'm going to bump it up a little bit, but right off the bat, I just opened the hardware package or plasticware or whatever. Their fittings appear to be a lot better. There's two O-rings on there. Little compression fitting type thing looking. It just feels better. What you get with the Monroe is this. These are fucking hokey. I even had it pop off a couple times. Here's what you do. They only give you enough for one O-ring per, and it screws in just like, you know, they're very similar. It's just so far the Gabriel, I really wish I would have got them first. Everything, I mean, I haven't put them on yet, but I don't know why Monroe is all I ever heard of, so it's my first time doing this, but I do have this fitting. It's going to take the smaller diameter air line and bump it up to what's going to fit on the regular 1/4 inch push fittings. But yeah, we're gonna do that Ver 280C compressor, and I got my tank in here. So hopefully we'll have that thing in the air soon, or on the ground actually.